Authorities say drones are now being used to breach prison security across the U.S., flying over walls and fences to deliver contraband to inmates.
I'm here today to sound the alarm and make you aware of a growing crisis within our profession, one that calls for immediate action.
Criminals are using drones more than ever to smuggle contraband into U.S. prisons.
Prison officials tell me that a drone crossed over the fence.
Cracking down on drones after one was used to deliver knives and drugs to a prison.
The criminal use of unmanned aircraft systems is escalating, and we do not have the tools or the legal authority to stop them.
Officials are asking Congress to support a pending bill that would allow these drones to legally be brought down. Right now, prison officials do not have that authority.
It is a serious, evolving, and not an imminent threat. It is immediate. We are in the throes of it right now.
Smuggling fentanyl, heroin, weapons into our facilities with precision.
Drones also drop contraband cell phones, which enable a lot of the inmates to continue their criminal enterprises and put in danger not just the staff behind the fence, but citizens in the community.
Mario Crawford just landed an 81-year prison sentence after we caught him dropping drugs into this correctional institution. He will spend the rest of his life behind bars.
Law enforcement and corrections have to be able to deal with this. We've seen weapons that are used oftentimes more on an individual level than on a mass scale, but it's only a matter of time. And why would we wait till that point?
Officers are working mandatory overtime just to keep operations running. Adding drone-related lockdowns, heightened security demands, and emergency searches makes their jobs unsustainable. This issue will be addressed eventually, there's no doubt. The only question is whether we act now with foresight or wait for disaster.